Hey there, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you how to fix or how to turn off profile views on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to know that how to turn off profile views on TikTok. First of all, you have to click on the profile icon. Now click on this profile. You can see at the right top corner there are three lines and on the other side there are two options. Click on these icons. You can see profile views. Now click on this circle and you can see here profile view history. If you turn off, then your profile views will be turned off, and if you turn it on, your views will be turned it on. It was the first method, and the second was go on the three lines which are present at the right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now click on privacy. Scroll this bar and you will see here post views or profile views. Click on profile views. You can turn it on or off from here. If you turn off this, then your profile views will be turned off on your TikTok account. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.